here is Iran. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe me. This is Iran Mall. Iran Mall is located in District 22 of Tehran and is one of the most important commercial centers in the country. It is one of the top 5 properties in the world and one of the largest commercial, cultural, and social projects in Iran and the Middle East. Iran Mall is a very large property and has a large area. If you want to walk only in the commercial part of Iran, take 5 minutes to visit each store. It takes about 3 days to visit all stores. The owner of Iran is Ali Ansari, who is one of the richest Iranians. Types of this shopping center: Persian Garden, Meeting Garden, Traditional Bazaar, Mirror Hall, Pub House, East Porch, Garden of Nations Restaurant, Jundishapur Library, shopping centers, coffee shop and restaurant, cinema campus, sports complex, game city and hotel, and a specialized car exhibition. If you come to Iran, be sure to visit this center. Thank you for being with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe.